Every time I turn this camera on, I'll be cracking up. Anyway, what's up? But yeah, I don't think that I want to wear these. So I'm going to wear these. This is going to be a video dedicated to these braids because supposedly somehow, some way, time flew by and I'm at work. So I'm trying to multitask. Time flew by and somehow, some way, I've had these braids in for a month. So it's braid maintenance today. And I'm going to get them washed and whatever else comes with that when I clock out. They don't look terrible. They don't look bad, but there is like obviously some new growth or whatnot. But let me make sure that my car is still here. That's what I didn't check. Oh, jeez. My car is still here. Okay, so car is still here. My car is still here, so the only thing that I need to do is put on my shoes and then I can head out. I just want to tell y'all my relationship with braids. First of all, I'm not new to this, but I definitely wouldn't say that I'm true to this because I haven't had braids in a very long time. And especially like professionally done braids. I had some kitchen braids done a couple of times and like those are different than what this is. And they have the knots on it. So these are knotless. So me and Dania, we've been wearing braids since we was younger, just like the rest of us. And when I say we used to keep them joints up faithfully for 3 to 4 months, because my mama got 3 kids, everybody getting braids for the summertime, you better keep them for the summer. But the braids that I recently had in my adulthood, I would just go to sleep with them. I don't like anything on my head hot. So the frizziness will always occur. But baby, I went to a TikTok library and the girls said that I need to wrap my braids. Did I know that? Yeah, but you know, but because I invested in these braids, and when I say invested, I mean car note. And yeah. So I'm like, yeah, these gotta last. I seen someone, they said put mousse on it, but also wrap it in a do-rag. And so I got a do-rag, I got the mousse, and I also got an extra long bonnet. Because listen, I'm just trying, but they still look good. I really do actually love them. Anyway, I'm going to get it washed, and so I want you all to come with me to the shop. Come with me to the shop. We're going to go see B. Everybody say what's up, B. Yeah, we finna go see B so B can get me right. All right, here's a better shot of the braids. Got my cup, but yeah. We've made it to the shop. You see that wash bowl? She washes hair. I don't know about y'all stylists, but baby B, one thing about it, she gonna scrub that scalp. So steamer. Brandy steam. Got my eyebrows done on Thursday, lashes done on Friday, hair done next Wednesday. I don't know what's coming, baby, but I'm gonna be ready. The fancy chair. She is so fancy. We love a fancy girl. sneak in the bathroom so you can see what was going on your head before your appointment over. Yeah, I gotta see what's going on.